Ngiyafisa sibuza ukuthi hloboni yomuntu esangalindela ushintsho oluhle ku-ANC noma kuRamaphosa uqobo lwakhe. After all these failures we've seen from this guy. Namhlanje kusukela izolo ANC ikwi-NGC yayo, National General Council, I think it's a council. They might discuss how the society should not be left behind. After 30 years, angayithola impendulo lombuzo ANC. Nizocheka namhlanje ngenza kanjani ukuthi abantu bengasaleli emuva kwintuthuko. After 30 years. Lowo nje ukukodwa for a teacher owaya esikoleni wafunda kahle ku teaching. Ufeli lo. Ufeli. Awukwazi ukuthi usuka grade 12 thina sase standard 10. Ila uzobuza ukuthi konje 2 plus 2 is equal to bani. Akusalingani nawe lokho. First kufail nje usayiqala lo equation usayibeka pha lo problem usayibhala phansi. Sithi fail. ANC can't be asking that question today. ANC namhlanje after 30 years should be telling the society how they have been making sure that the society is not left behind. The fact that they're asking that question today, the opposite side of their question says, we have left the society behind for bloody 30 years. So, what kind of a thinking being will still have high hopes from this NGC, ANC content we are now? Is Ali to now Ramaphosa, for example. The man who has avoided everything and not to be blamed for anything. Even the 9 years that he created and talks about, he was a deputy president, responsible for government business. But no, he can't be blamed for anything that happened wrong there, if any. The man who was caught with dollars hidden in a sofa in his property, who then controlled the public protector, controlled the certificate receiver of revenue, controlled the reserve bank, controlled the judiciary to find nothing wrong with that. Why should we continue to trust people who are not trustworthy? Why? Because of Ramaphosa. Angishaka fihlo amarandi lala ama-dollars atholakala kodwa still first pit kube ngasikholelwa kuyena. So that's why I'm saying manje focus yami is no longer on Ramaphosa. It's on the person or the thinking being who still thinks there's something positive engaphuma ku-ANC. Even worse is Lalito Ramaphosa. I don't think that a person who has been awake for the past 8 years of Ramaphosa should be somebody who has been asleep. Ayikho ANC namhlanje into engayilungisa isahlulo ukubhekana nama-failures ayo angempela. And masiwa ama-failures a-ANC asikhulumi nje ngembono yokuthi siyayigxeka ngoba siwumkhonto noma siyini. Hamba uyofunda ama-report ka-Auditor General AXA, Auditor General of South Africa, okuyena obhekayo ukuthi i-ANC iperforma kanjani kuwena konke ama-department, iy'mali isebenzisa kanjani. What DPE, for instance? Sine-wasteful expenditure ehleli regular expenditure ehleli ku-6.1 billion just for 1 year. Sine-fruitless expenditure ehleli ku-79 million rands just for 1 year. Ngikhuluma ngedepartment eyodwa la, Department of Basic Education. Uyasho u-Auditor General ukuthi even enza ama-recommendations ukuthi hayi-ke niyona la lungisani kanje uhulumeni ka-ANC awuyinaki loo nto. Shiya phansi uqhubeke uyodla imali. Angikhulumi la ngama-report amadala. Khuluma ngama-report ka-2024, 2025. Kuyimanje banikana amathenda lapha phansi kwa-education. Ma ngabe ubona ukuthi hayi usuyidlile imali ngokwanele bese bekuterminator becingela enye iqabane leyo mali obusuyidlile u200 million obusudlile bathi hayi futhi wasteful expenditure beshiye kanjalo uhambe wena uyothola enye ithenda elsewhere ngapha bafaka omunye ucomrade la bakuterminate khona They've become very sophisticated in how to steal, how to loot, and have auditor general reports ignored. No consequence management. I-ANC leyo asikwazi ukuhlukanisa i-ANC nohulumeni kube ku-ANC ofaka amaqabane ohulumeni. Into eyodwa uhulumeni ne-ANC njengamanje it's one thing. So what ama-officials kahulumeni do in government njengokudla kwey'mali, wasteful expenditure, fruitless expenditure, unauthorized expenditure, irregular expenditure, it is the ANC. The very same ANC le NGC right now. But they're deliberating how you cannot leave society behind. For how long we should listen to this nonsense? Our people. For how long we should listen to nonsense ANC, package in nice English and good write-ups. Baphala kahle impela. Bakhuluma kahle impela kodwa benzi. Njengamanje bakhuluma ukuthi hayi policy formulation, policy shift. For how long they've been formulating and shifting the policies? Kuma national ANC policy conferences. But they don't implement those policies. Uzuma ungaphandle nje ANC ibona esimahashula. It because they were pushing for radical economic transformation policy. Yawo ANC efocus ekutheni umuntu omnyama naye akube khona akutholayo kwezomnotho wezwe. And azenze lokho akwenzeka ngokusheshsha futhi nangendlela ebonakalayo radically. Kwathiwa hayi RT forces, RT sakhishwa ku-ANC ngoba silwele ipolicy ka-ANC ethi abantu nabo phela bawuthola umcebo ngokwendlela abawudinga ngayo, the same way uqashazwa abelungu abangcosana nemhumeko embalwa stooges ka-ANC amnyama emnyama lo mhumeko saphuma ku-ANC. So yiphi ke le policy abazoyenza namhlanje? Because their problem is not about policy formulation. Their problem is about practice of policy. Bayawenza ama-policy mahle kodwa bawa-implement ngoba abaxabanisa nongxiwankulu ababanika imali zabayistasha kosofa ephalaphala lezi ehamba ngamahulisi. Namhlanje izwe likhuluma ngokhathi Matlala, likhulume ngoMokgotsi njengama-devils. Question is, who created Khatsi Matlala? Who created Mokgotsi? It is the bloody ANC. You can blame about Khat. Yebo nabo bayifakile into wrong. But who created them? The ANC government. The ANC ministers. That's why uMthunu behlela ama-commission njengamanje. And we know uMthunu is a trusted man kaSiril Ramaphosa. So now thina sefesibe foolish thina. Sibe that foolish ukuthi sithi hayi ANC njengamanje ihlangana nokulungisa izinto. Zwanini la abantu bakithi. We are late. We should have dealt with these crooks 20 years ago. Bese siwagada fila ama-crooks angangeni ngayo emkhontweni. Ngoba uzofiphinda enze le nonsense yawo. Ayikayiyeke phela. Kufundile ukudla imali kahulumeni. Umkhonto manje uyithuba elisha. Abanye bethu kulwela yokuqala is with the revolution of the people. It's not with the political parties. Abanye bethu. And I always say that, and I don't want to be gassed around it. My first loyalty is with the revolution of the black oppressed. My second loyalty is with this party that I think it got good intention to continue from where Zuma ended, which is radical economic transformation agenda. If there's shift from that, no, we are no longer relating. We have to stop corruption practically. Lama auditor general reports there are millions and billions of wasteful expenditure, regular expenditure, and authorized. It has to stop. Ngoba no mali leyo wastiwe. It could have been a school, could have been a clinic, could have been government investment to create jobs or improve community infrastructure. Could have been a bursary to a learner onganayo a chance to education ngoba akanayo abazali abanemali. So if singayimvimbi lezi mali ey'ntshontshwayo, there shall be no development in South Africa. Sizoqhubeka sibone ukukhula kwabantu abanjengoKhat, abanjengomokgotsi. Billionaires that we don't know where they come from. And they're finding themselves in a network of ANC politicians. So ke osalindele ukuphilayo ku-ANC no Ramaphosa, I don't think umuntu obebhekile in the past 8 years. Abantu bakithi balazi iqiniso. Unjengamanje ama-clinic, yikole, ama-police station, Department of Social Development, Department yamasosha, umkhakha wezamasosha, kubole kangaka nje ingenxa kahulumeni kaRamaphosa. Ofuna ukuprova lokho awusenza uGoogle. Awucheck nje between Mbeki, Zuma and Ramaphosa. Who built ikole eziningi? I-answer izothi Zuma, bese iphinde i-answer ithi uRamaphosa has built none. Check who built imigwaqo eminingi. I-answer izothi Zuma, bese ucheck Ramaphosa ithi none. Who built ama-power stations? Ibhedla gesi, iphehla gesi. I-answer izothi uZuma ubhede 2, ithi uMbeki waqala 2, ithi Ramaphosa none. Ucheck i-unemployment rate ye-youth particularly. Yayinkulu kubani? Izothi i-answer inkulu kuRamaphosa. Nifunani enye ukubona ukuthi nithatha isahluleli nasikhweza ngaphezulu ANC. And ngebhadi kulate manje ngamsusa manje kulate. Sefike kusuke nina manje ngoba nani senifunde amakhono amabi okubola. Senifunde amakhono omntshontsha. Anizwa nafunda amakhono okhohlisa abantu uthi umntshontsha ubumkhohlisa ngapha. Nibolile nje. U-ANC ukhucululwe manje ngisho ama-office ehulumeni fekucululwe yonke leyo thingwa ngaphandle. Uma abantu bakithi nifuna ukushintsha lelizwe kodwa amanithanda. Qhubekani ithi niproject ibrand ka-ANC. Hey ukubola lokho. Ngisho ama-ancestors ithunywa zika-ANC zikushiyile manje singapha emkhontweni. Mawufuna uthuli nje yazi lithuthile idlozi semkhontweni. Ufuna uThambo uthuthile usemkhontweni. Ufuna uSolomon Mahlangu, ufuna uChris Hani bangapha. Utshele mina. Bonke nenkosi luthuli. No John Langale baledube. Bathuthile ngoba zisala ingane zenza amanyala egcekeni ka-ANC. Don't think uzohlala isithunywa emanyaleni. Njoba nathi ngapha emkhontweni sikhathela amanyala ka-ANC engezi ngapha. Ngoba siyazi axosha isithunywa somzabalazo. Sikhathile masigadla umzila sisho lokho. Asisigada amathuba amathenda. Njengeminye imhumheke esibukayo ukuthi siyanibuka lo mzila lona ugadile nina. Okuyicebisa la seme kwaza kwenzi sigadileke. Mase sigada umzila, sisigada ukungcola ukuthi kungenzeki la. Lemkhubeko ANC uyenzayo namanje obusaqhubeka ukukhohlisa abantu ngale NGC yabenukayo. Awuzokuza la emkhontweni. Mawuthi uyahlula uyoza, uyeza, uza ngenkani hayi impela uyaphumelela khona urongo njalo. Hayi futhi kuyofe kuphume thina bayethu phela ngeke sihlale namanyala. The same way singahlalanga namanyala we-ANC. Awu.